right there is called a shear pin, that shiny one. I just put that in and tightened it down while I thought I was recording. Modern technology. Of course, it helps if I put on my glasses before I do stuff like this, right? So, yeah, this I had one bolt out, and this was pivoted up out of the way so I could work in there. That's not the cover. This is the cover here, which I discovered I wasn't recording when I stopped to look, and now I'm missing a washer, which was on here. Alrighty, there's one. Would help if I clean this thing off once in a while, wouldn't it? Alright, let's get this. Oh, it's right there. Super. And of course I got my hand right in the way. Yeah, we're doing good. Yeah, I checked to see if I was in frame and realized I wasn't. Wasn't recording, that is. Ooh. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We want righty-tighty. There's that one. There's that one. Put our tools away, and we'll be back for a operational check. Okay, we're back. Let's hook up the PTO to the shaft. Now, some PTO shafts, they have a little button that you push. This one is a twister. So we get it onto the splines, twist it, slide it on, and there, she's locked on. Alright, now for the big test. Let's bring you over here. Yeah, thump, crash, bang. I'm just going to turn this yellow knob here. Oh yeah, Bitchin' Betty wants me in the seat to do this. But you probably saw back in operation. There. I saw one of these on a tractor on the lot at Bruce's Tractor on Freedom Parkway in Herman, Maine, or the Hammond Street Extension for locals. And I thought, you know what, that would be nice to have. Took a while to get it. Let's see if I can steady this down. There we go. Took a while to get it. Oh yeah, sun right in behind it. But it bolts right onto the rollover protection, the ROPS. There. Let's fold that up. And as you can see, bolts right on. And I actually did do a turn around the lower meadow, and I don't have it clipped in hard because the rubber thing likes to come out with it, but it stays right in there. Not a problem. Got room for a handle if you want to do that kind of a mug. But there it is. The bolt-on cup holder. And it's made by LS. Actually, it had a LS number anyway. But yeah, 2 U-bolts. And then it bolts in from the inside. I can get you a look at it. You can see the screws right there, maybe. There's one, there's 2. Yep. Slick rig. Slick rig. Okay, that's it. I think I'm going to chill and maybe do some mowing tomorrow. In the meantime, life is really darn good, and Those fruit trees just look so good with the cages off of them. Next time, my friends. See you later.